This is my favorite to date Dutchpour Blowout Spin Art flower. I am so in love with how realistic and natural this flower look. I'm loving the white in here, beautiful and solid, and of course that beautiful soft metallic violet and that festive green. Oh my goodness, it really brings this piece together. Check out today's creation video, you're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Guys, did you check out my intro? I hope to see you guys this Thursday, September the 29th, starting at 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be me and 3 other amazing Canadian fluid artists. We will be doing a pour painting using fall inspirational colors. I hope you guys come back out and check us out on Thursday. I'll be going on first at 6:45, followed by Sandra, then Amy, and of course Manon. Do come back out and check us out on Thursday. Thank you so much, guys. Let's get into today's painting. As you can see, I have already gone ahead and poured my base colors. That base color is a custom mix teal, and I also have white. So the white is already, that center there, I already poured the white. As you can see, my table is messy. That means I've been trying to create something that I think, you know what, I was happy with. So this is my second attempt trying to get the petals to be really white and bright. And of course, I just wanted more white in my petals, because I feel that the white sometimes is a bit light, and I just wanted it to be heavier in today's pour. I do hope you guys enjoy the video. And you know what, guys, this is just a simple fluid art, acrylic pour painting technique, okay? I've been inspired by Douna to try these beautiful Dutchpour flower. And it's all about working with different colors and seeing how the color combination really works with each other. So I'm just, I just wanted this piece here to be a bit more whiter and of course brighter. So I think I achieved the look I was going for, and I'm super happy with this one. This is actually my favorite to date. I really do hope you will stick around to see the close-up of the wet result and of course the dried result. Do stick around to the end, guys. And if you're here this far, I want to say tonight's video is also a part of our Tuesday night premiere train with me, Holly, Laurie, and Nate. Do go ahead and check them out. I'll be listing their channel name or of course their videos that they're premiering in my description box. So do go ahead and check that out, guys. And we do appreciate you coming out every single Tuesday night and hanging out with us and chit-chatting with us in our while we're going live. It's so amazing to really see the turnout every single Tuesday. Really do appreciate you guys. And of course, if you do enjoy the videos, do give us a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Share all of our videos with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that each time we post a new video, you are notified. Really do appreciate you guys. And this is just a small thing that you can do for us, and I want to say thank you so much. Do check out the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. And of course, guys, I will see you. Thank you. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. I gotta tell you guys that this painting actually took me over half an hour, over 30 minutes to do, and it's because, you know what, I tweak it. I spend the time tweaking it. As you can see, I was using my mouth to blow out some of the edges. I just wanted to get some frilliness, and I'm loving that frilly edges. You know, I wanted it to be soft. I didn't want it to be too, you know, jaggedy edge. I just wanted to make it, you know, a bit softer and more defined. Loving it, loving the shape of the petals, you know, and the color combination with that metallic lavender and of course that festive green. It's beautiful. Loving it, guys. Really do love how this white petals turned out. And the center is like, oh my goodness, I love it. What do you guys have to say about this one? Of course, leave me a comment in the comment section. Really want to know what you guys think about today's painting. And of course, here it is, dried, and it's on my fireplace. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Loving how the petals hold this shape, and of course the center remains just as beautiful, and you can see the metallic, you know, shimmer from that festive green and the violet, and you know, it's beautiful. The white really stands out in this. The petals really hold this shape. This flower is just beautiful. Really do loving it, loving all the lines and the definition. Really do love the shape here, guys. What do you think about this one? And of course, that beautiful teal background really let this flower stand out. It really pops against that teal. Guys, really appreciate you coming out every Tuesday night and checking us out. Do go ahead and check the next person that's coming up. Should be Nate, and we really do appreciate your support. Join us again next week Tuesday, and of course come back and see me right here on Camila Moy Art. Bye.